class we are going to discuss about conversion of units. Conversion of units is the conversion between different units but same physical quantity, and here we will use some multiplicative factors to convert from one unit to another unit. That means I am considering the room length. Room length is 2 meters. I can express the same length in another unit also. I can say it as 200 centimeters. See, the length, physical quantity is not changing, but we are changing the units, meters to centimeters. Like that, units will be converted from one unit to other different unit, but the physical quantity will remain same. And here I am considering a factor that physical quantity P equal to Nu. Here N is the numerical value and U is the unit, where P is the physical quantity. Here I am considering one example. I take a physical quantity sugar. Sugar is a physical quantity. I am considering sugar 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram of sugar. Here again I am writing the same physical quantity sugar as 1000 grams. Here the physical quantity remains same, but the changing of quantities or the numerical value changed from 1 to 1000, and the unit also changed from kilogram to gram. So by this example I can consider that N is inversely proportional to U. That means if the numerical value increases, the unit decreases. If the numerical value decreases, unit will increase. See here, the numerical value increased from 1 to 1000. So what happened to unit? Unit decreased from kilogram to gram. So by that we can say that N is inversely proportional to U. And here let us see some conversions basing upon a length. I am considering a length. I took 20 centimeters. This I want to convert into meters. So how to convert 20 centimeter into meter? Simply I am taking 20 here, and already in previous class we have discussed about multiples and submultiples. In that multiples and submultiples, the centi value is 10 to the power of minus 2. So here this C can be represented as 10 to the power of minus 2, and here there is meter again. So I am placing it as meter. So 20 centimeter can be written as 20 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. So very simple conversion this is. And next I am converting the same 20 centimeter to micrometer. So for this what I have to do is, first I am writing 20 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. So I converted first it into meter. Now I am converting the meters again into this micrometer. That is 20 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Now we have to we know the value micro as 10 to the power of minus 6. And now here what I am doing is, I am multiplying and dividing with 10 power minus 6. Why? Because the micron value is 10 to the power of minus 6. And here I am naming meter. Now these two, how we can write? This is micron, meter. So micrometer, that means 20 into 10 to the power of minus 2, and this I am writing in denominator here, and this I am writing as micrometer. Now if this value 10 to the power of minus 6 come to this numerator, the value will be like this: 20 into 10 to the power of this will become plus 6. So plus 6 minus 2, we will get 4. So 20 into 10 to the power of 4 micrometer. So like this we can convert the unit from one unit to another unit. But here the length, physical quantity remains same. And let us take one more conversion basing upon the speed. See, we may heard that a vehicle is moving with 90 km per hour. So the kilometer per hour is a unit of speed. In the same way, sometimes we may, in physics, we may heard about mostly meter per second. Meter per second is also a unit of speed. A light travels with a speed of 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So the meter per second is also a unit of speed. So let us know how to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour or kilometer per hour into meter per second. First let us know what is the relation between these two units. First I am considering 1 meter per second is equal to dash kilometer per hour. So for this what I am doing is, see, already we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 meter will be equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, or this can be written as 10 to the power of minus 3 kilometer. In the same way, we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. That means to write 1 second, what I have to do? 1 second equal to 1 by 60 minute and 1 by 60 hour. So simply we can write like this. So for 1 meter I am writing this one, 10 to the power of minus 3. This is for 1 meter by second. So 1 second can be written as 1 by 60 into 1 by 60. And here I am writing whole unit as kilometer per hour. Now if you consider this is denominator. This will be reciprocated up. So 60 into 60 by 10 to the power of minus 3 kilometer per hour. Now this can be written as 3600, and this is nothing but 1 by 1000. So this can be written as 1000. So zeros cancel. In this 2 5 times and here 18 times. So 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Then 1 kilometer per hour equal to how much meter per second? That is 5 by 18 meter per second. So let us see one conversion basing upon this speed. 72 kilometer per hour. It should be converted in meter per second. So what we will do? The conversion factor is 5 by 18. So 72 into 5 by 18. Now this 18 in this 72 4 times, and 4 5s are 20. So 72 kilometer can be written as 20 meter per second. So in this way we can do a lot of conversions from one unit to another unit. But here the physical quantity remains same. It won't change. But here what we are using? We are using some multiplicative factors.